Good morning. Thanks for joining us this Tuesday, the 25th of January. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday, the Aussie share market fell to an 8-month low amid concerns of inflation and policy tightening by the US Federal Reserve. The ASX 200 closed 0.5% lower to 7,139 points, and it was the technology, utilities, and mining stocks that were hit the hardest. On the flip side, the real estate sector managed to post a 1.45% gain. Looking at the ASX 200 stock leaderboard, the best performing stock was Uniti Group, UWL, up an impressive 9.3% after it was revealed that multiple approaches have been made towards the company, suggesting an interest in acquiring UWL. Goodman Group, GMG, was also on the rise, closing 3.5% higher, following a broker note out from Macquarie. The broker expects that GMG could upgrade its FY 2022 guidance in its half-year results, set to be released on the 17th of February. Macquarie has an Outperform rating and an increased price target of $26.63 for GMG. Meanwhile, Regis Resources, RRL, led the losses, falling 14.3% after cutting its full-year production guidance because of a geotechnical incident at its Rosemont mine and other operational challenges. Other stocks coming under pressure included Imugene, Life 360, and Liontown Resources. As for the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday, they included Northern Star Resources, NST, Swoop Holdings, SWP, and Adairs, ADH. The Adairs share price crashed 21.5% yesterday following the release of its first half trading update, where although its sales were largely in line with the prior corresponding period, a collapse in its margin saw its earnings almost halve. In the US, it was a very choppy session, with the Dow plunging over 1,000 points during the session. However, managed to make a remarkable comeback to close in the green, up 0.29%. The S&P 500 lifted 0.28% and the Nasdaq up 0.63%. Investors began the session dumping tech shares, as they have all month. However, those stocks rebounded as the day went on, with Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft closing higher. And it's expected on Wednesday that the Fed will signal its plans on when it will raise rates after its two-day meeting. Now, despite the comeback in the US, the futures are suggesting the Aussie share market will open 1.3% lower this morning. And in terms of what to watch today, several stocks will be releasing their Q4 production reports, including Beach Energy, Fortescue Metals, Iluka Resources, Mineral Resources, and St. Barbara. Economic news-wise, the latest consumer inflation report is out this morning. This is released once every 3 months. Now, a high reading could force the RBA to raise interest rates earlier. Also out today is business confidence for December. Moving to commodities, the oil price fell 1.5% off the back of a stronger dollar and concerns over the possibility of quicker than expected increases to interest rates by the Fed, while the gold price gained 0.6% to US $1,843 per ounce as Ukraine tensions boost the safe havens appeal. And the spot iron ore price traded flat at US $133 a tonne. Lastly, Paradigm Biopharmaceuticals, PAR, is holding its AGM today. Now, let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter has maintained its buy recommendation on Australia's largest horticultural company, Costa Group, CGC, with a price target of $3.85. Bell Potter's favourable view on CGC is driven by its expansion and maturation of the international berry operations and avocado orchards, the non-reoccurrence of hail impacting citrus and grape operations, and its further investment in capacity to grow earnings beyond calendar year 2022. Now, CGC closed 1.7% higher yesterday to $2.94, which implies 31% share price growth in a year. Finally, Trading Central has a bullish signal on Striker Translations, STG. This signal indicates that the stock price may rise from the close of $1.50 to the range of $1.78 to $1.86 in the next 24 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. Remember, the market will be closed tomorrow for the public holiday, so we'll see you next on Thursday morning. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.